Learn English to Hindi connectors, nevertheless, therefore, consequently and.
फिर भी.
Welcome to the Rainy Logic Circus. Hey, you're about to learn some elegant English words and their Hindi partners without falling asleep on page 2. We'll use a silly story, quick drills, and repeatable phrases so the words stick. Picture this: a dramatic narrator, one confused hero, too much tea, and a storm that absolutely refuses to respect the schedule. In today's chapter, you'll meet, nevertheless, as.
फिर भी.
Indecisive, as.
अनिर्णायक.
On the other hand, as.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
Therefore, as.
इसलिए.
Consequently, as.
फलस्वरूप.
And, sweet, as.
मीठिन.
Yes, this is basically grammar wearing a comedy hat. Your words for today. First, let's meet the cast. Say each Hindi phrase aloud after me if you can. Nevertheless equals.
फिर भी.
A tiny phrase with stubborn energy. Indecisive equals.
अनिर्णायक.
The word for someone who can spend 20 minutes choosing one biscuit. On the other hand equals.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
Great for contrast, debates, and sounding thoughtful at dinner. Therefore equals.
इसलिए.
Cause and result, nicely tied together. Consequently equals.
फलस्वरूप.
A more formal result word. Very fancy, slightly wearing glasses. Sweet equals.
मीठिन.
The taste word that enters any story involving tea, mangoes, or dessert. A funny mini-story. Now listen to the words inside one ridiculous little scene. This helps your brain connect meaning to emotion and context. Ravi stood outside a snack shop during heavy rain. He was hungry and also deeply.
अनिर्णायक.
He wanted samosas.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
He also wanted cake. The shopkeeper said, "Choose quickly." Ravi looked at the tea, looked at the cake, looked at the tea again, and somehow looked confused in 3 directions at once. It was raining hard.
फिर भी.
He stayed outside thinking like a philosopher in wet slippers. Finally, he smelled the tea. It was warm and.
मीठिन.
He smiled. The weather was awful.
इसलिए.
He ordered sweet tea and cake. He ate too fast and.
फलस्वरूप.
Asked for another plate. The shopkeeper laughed and said, "You were.
अनिर्णायक.
For 10 minutes, and now you want everything." Ravi replied, "Yes, that is my talent. How the logic words work. Let's make the meanings super clear. You don't need a giant grammar book, just a few solid patterns." Use.
फिर भी.
For contrast, after a problem, it was raining.
फिर भी.
We went out. Use.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
When comparing two sides. I like tea.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
My friend prefers coffee. Use.
इसलिए.
For a direct result, the road was closed.
इसलिए.
We took another route. Use.
फलस्वरूप.
For a more formal result, she studied hard and.
फलस्वरूप.
Passed the exam. Use.
अनिर्णायक.
To describe a person who cannot decide, he is.
अनिर्णायक.
When choosing food. Use.
मीठिन.
For sweet taste, this mango is.
मीठिन.
Quote. Repeat after me drills. Your turn. Hear it, say it, own it. I'll keep the lines short so they're easy to shadow. It was difficult.
फिर भी.
She finished. He cannot choose. He is.
अनिर्णायक.
This plan is cheap.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
It takes more time. It was late.
इसलिए.
We went home. The machine broke down.
फलस्वरूप.
Production stopped. The dessert is.
मीठिन.
Tiny dialogue with maximum drama. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine 2 friends, 1 umbrella, and far too much opinion. A. The road is long. B.
फिर भी.
Let's go. A. I want tea. B.
वहीं दूसरी ओर.
I want coffee. A. Why did you buy cake? B. The tea smelled.
मीठिन, इसलिए.
I lost control. A. You looked frozen in front of the menu. B. Yes, I was.
अनिर्णायक.
A. You ordered 2 desserts. B. Correct.
फलस्वरूप.
I regret nothing. Quick memory tricks. Let's attach each word to a vivid image. Weird images are good. Your brain loves nonsense. 4.
फिर भी.
Imagine walking through rain with a heroic face that says, nice try, weather. 4.
अनिर्णायक.
Picture someone taking longer to choose socks than to choose a career. 4.
वही दूसरी ओर.
Imagine 2 giant hands pointing left and right during a dramatic debate. 4.
इसलिए.
Picture dominoes. One falls, and the next must follow. 4.
फलस्वरूप.
Think of a tree giving fruit as the final result of growth. 4.
मीठिन.
Imagine a mango so sweet that even the spoon smiles. Mini quiz time. No pressure. If you get one wrong, the grammar police will not arrive. Probably. 1. What Hindi phrase means, nevertheless? Answer.
फिर भी.
2. What Hindi word means, indecisive? Answer.
अनिर्णायक.
3. What Hindi phrase means, on the other hand? Answer.
वही दूसरी ओर.
4. What Hindi word means, therefore? Answer.
इसलिए.
5. What Hindi word means, consequently? Answer.
फलस्वरूप.
6. What Hindi word means, sweet? Answer.
मीठिन.
Your challenge. Now you try building your own sentences. Keep them short. Short sentences are brave and efficient. Say one sentence with.
फिर भी.
Example. I was tired.
फिर भी.
I kept working. Describe one person as.
अनिर्णायक.
Maybe that person is you in a bakery. No judgment. Compare 2 things with.
वही दूसरी ओर.
Tea and coffee are always available for service. Make a cause and result sentence with.
इसलिए.
Make a more formal cause and result sentence with.
फलस्वरूप.
Describe a food as.
मीठिन.
If it is cake, I support your decision completely. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through rain, logic, indecision, and dessert. That is basically advanced survival. Today you practiced.
फिर भी. अनिर्णायक. वही दूसरी ओर. इसलिए. फलस्वरूप.
And.
मीठिन.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, reuse the words in your own examples, and come back tomorrow even if your inner snack buyer is still gloriously.
अनिर्णायक.
You're doing great.